there, guys. Today, Appleflare is gonna teach an old pony how to fly. Principal Skidoo. Yeah, Principal Skidoo is gonna learn how to fly. And yeah, it's Principal Skidoo. She's wearing her tiara because she's a principal. So, Appleflare, my big pile of Equestria Girls and Monster Highs and ponies and homemade houses that I made, and set for candy, and my stand. Doesn't look so fancy. Okay, Appleflare and Millie, time to fly! Yay! Quick look at the frogs. Probably can't see them. Well, we're outside now at the Everfree Forest. Yeah! But isn't there a Timberwolves? Never! But there's a bird. Okay. But I'm a principal, I don't need to fly. Right? No! You gotta fly! Okay. I'm not taking off my tiara. Okay. First thing you do is first thing you do is jump in the sky and just fly. And it's easy. Boing. Yeah. You flew. Yay. Let's check on the recovery. Tiara. And you. Get the brush, I don't care. How was that? I want to be thrown again. You were flying. No, it's thrown. You were flying. No, I was thrown. Fine, fly again. Yeah. Let's find the artifact. Want to be thrown again? It's flying. Whatever. You want to fly again? Sure. Bird! Want to do it again? Sure. Now do you want to do it? Yeah. Do you want to be thrown now? Nope, I'm out. So how do you like flying? It sucks. Flying is awesome! Didn't you fly, Appleflare? Okay. Bow! Well, my turn. Whoa! People who can't fly. Be grateful about that. Because all of you gotta go to the pony hospital. Okay, let's go to the pony hospital. Rest in peace, people. Rest in peace. But I'm not dead! Whatever! And rest in peace, all of you.